Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Morning coffee may not always be healthy, scientists have proven. Strong coffee after a bad night's sleep is what many people need in the morning, but new research suggests it might be better to have a snack first. Research has shown that drinking coffee first thing can negatively affect blood sugar control, a risk factor for diabetes and heart disease. We know that almost half of us wake up in the morning and drink coffee before doing anything. Intuitively, the more tired we feel, the stronger the coffee, said Professor James Betts, professor and co-director of the Center on Nutrition, Exercise and Metabolism from the University of Bath in the UK, in a press statement. Until now, we had limited knowledge of what it does to our body, in particular to control metabolism and blood sugar. For their study, researchers at the University of Bath recruited 29 healthy men and women to participate in 3 different nightly experiments, at least a week apart. In one of them, the participants slept normally at night, from about 2300 hours before 7 a.m., and asked for a sweet drink in the morning upon waking up. They then experienced a disturbed night's sleep, with the researchers waking them up every hour for 5 minutes by sending them text messages to which they had to respond, and upon waking they were given the same sweet drink. On another evening, participants experienced the same sleep disturbance, but this time they were first given strong black coffee 30 minutes before consuming the sugary beverage. The glucose drink had the same number of calories as a regular breakfast. They found that one night of disturbed sleep did not worsen participants' response to blood glucose and insulin compared to a normal night's sleep, although previous research had shown that losing many hours of sleep or many nights of poor sleep could have a negative effect. However, strong black coffee consumed before breakfast significantly raised blood glucose levels by about 50%, suggesting that drinking coffee after a bad night to stop feeling sleepy may limit your body's ability to tolerate sugar in your breakfast. Most breakfasts are high in carbohydrates, often sugar, so it's fair to assume that the same effect will hold for other typical breakfast foods, he said. Of course, if you ate a breakfast low in carbohydrates, especially sugar, then it would certainly reduce, or even eliminate, the spike in blood glucose we see after eating. One encouraging takeaway from the study, he said, was that one night of disturbed sleep did not greatly affect your metabolic control. He said people might be advised not to consume strong coffee an hour before a carbohydrate-rich breakfast. While the team used black coffee for the experiment, he said the same effect was likely to be seen with latte or flush white. Milk would make comparison more difficult if it contained additional nutrients, he said. I suspect that the effect of caffeine as such would be the same if milk was included, because the physiological effects of caffeine are quite strong, he said via email. There is a lot of debate in medicine about whether coffee is good for you or not. An extensive review of the scientific literature on coffee published in the British Medical Journal in 2017 found that drinking 3 to 4 cups of black coffee a day has the most overall health benefits. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.